video we will merge text with video. So let's see how to create that. Open a blank video page, click on elements. In the search box, search for like Canada. Click on videos. Let's select this video. Increase its size up to the size of page. Now click on elements. In search box, search for frame. Click on see all. Let's select these frame with letters. So we will place them all here like this as per the word Canada. So once all were placed, now click on elements. Now select same video and add it to all the letters. So it's added now. Now select this letter, increase its size. Now from this frame, select this video and increase its size up to the size of page. Once it's done for all the letters, then click on elements, click on shape. Let's select this shape, click on color. Let's make it of black color and increase its size up to size of page. Click on transparency, reduce transparency. Now click on layer, show layers, and place this layer below all the letters like this. So now it's done and it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.